गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, वेलकम, नमस्कार, बहुत बहुत स्वागत सभी लोगों का. दिस इज योर गोकी कोच Alistair Fernandez. Very good morning to one and all, and thank you so much for joining me today on this Goki Play app. And we are live on the Goki Play. So yes, we are going to be doing some amazing workouts today. And today, the power of piloxing for fat loss is your topic. So we are going to be focusing on burning a lot of fats, burning a lot of unwanted fats rather. Fats are, there are good fats and there's bad fats as well, but what we're going to focus on is the unwanted fats, and that is what we're going to burn with the help of piloxing. So everybody, welcome aboard, welcome to the live play session. Thank you so much for coming. नमस्कार, वनकम, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब, जहाँ भी हो आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत. Thank you everybody for calling and making sure that you are available at early morning class at 8 o'clock, and we're going to be doing some amazing fat burning exercise. Alright, so let's put off the fan. Give me a minute. Let's put the fan to this up then. Okay. So मैंने fan off कर दिया, वरना fan का बहुत आवाज़ आती है. Then I don't enjoy that as much. So everybody जल्दी live आ जाओ so that we can kickstart the session. Let's put the AC. It's on. Okay, that is on. So everybody, Malika. Okay, is my AV better now? Mallikarjun, can you hear me? Can you see me? Is it better? Is it not? Is it getting stuck? Let me know quickly. Ritesh, namaskar, good morning. How are you doing? रितेश, क्या आपको मेरी आवाज़ और मेरा वीडियो क्लियर आ रहा है? क्या मेरा वीडियो अटक रहा है तो मुझे बता दो. अबैद, गुड मॉर्निंग. Mallikarjun, I just need a confirmation from your end if the video is fine. Quickly. Hear me and see me. Video stuck. Okay, give me a second. Give me a moment. Okay, I will do one thing. I have an idea. Okay guys, now is it better? Now is the video better? I've just changed a little bit of the angle. Guys, you are able to hear me? Indra, Shreya, good morning. Jumi, good morning. Are you able to see me and hear me, guys? Quickly, jaldi bata do ताकि we can confirm and kickstart the session. I've tried to come near to the window so that I can get better reception. My Wi-Fi is not working today for some reason. So yeah. Checking. Okay, Abed, are you able to hear me and see me? Okay, I'm assuming that you are able to see me because right now I don't see anyone's message. So let me end the intro. Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing some piloxing. We're going to be working out on our upper body and lower body both. So get ready for some killer fat loss movement. So I'm going to play some music and we're going to be dancing and moving till the end. Let me just first set up and play that first. Okay, now remember, what is piloxing? Piloxing is basically a combination of 3 different exercises. One is Pilates, then there is boxing and dancing. So the combination of 3 movements together helps you to do piloxing. Alright, and piloxing gives you the benefit of all of these 3 exercises. That's why it is one of the best fat burning exercise that you can ever do. Alright, so let's not waste any more time and go ahead and kickstart the session. If you find anything wrong, अगर वीडियो क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है, ऑडियो मिसिंग हो रहा है, या मेरी आवाज़ सही से नहीं आ रही है, आप मुझे बता सकते हो एंड इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो, एंड आई विल ट्राई एंड रीसेट द सेटिंग्स एंड कम बैक. If you are able to hear me, give me a thumbs up, tell me yes, I can hear you, I can see you, and it will help me in conducting the session much more better. Okay, cool. So let's play the music. Right, let's go back. Come here. Step touch. Please. Now, reach up. Give me 1 second, guys. Stay there. Hang on. Let's put on the lights. It's too dark. Put on the lights. Okay. A little more better? I think so, yes. Okay, let's go for the music. Let's go. Let's go. 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 Quick. Swing the arms. Pull up.
Hands on each other, couldn't stay too far apart. Closer the better. Now we're drinking fights, it's time to do it. Magnify in all our flaws, and I wonder why. Love what boy, why we keep coming back for more. If it does, how about it?
Okay, Mallikarjun video is getting stuck. Guys, अगर किसी और को वीडियो स्टक हो रहा है, इंदिरा, जमुना, कैन यू हियर मी एंड कैन यू सी मी प्रॉपरली? क्विकली रिस्पॉन्ड करिए ताकि मैं कुछ कर सकूँ. If it's the problem for everybody, then I'll have to check my settings over here. If it's not the problem, then probably Mallikarjun, you might have reset your app and come back. Just give me a confirmation. A couple of more people give me confirmation so that I can quickly reset my settings, if that can help. Come on. I'm just waiting for some responses out there. Apart from Mallikarjun, anybody else who could not hear me or see me properly, let me know. Everything worked fine, and I'm not sure suddenly why the internet is playing up with me. Just let me know. Okay guys, reset हो चुका है, लेकिन अभी मुझे पता नहीं है, मुझे बता दो. Sorry about this confusion. Sometimes the internet. Happy hang हो गया. Indra Naik. Indra, hi, can you hear me? Can you see me? Is the video clear? Because we are facing a little technical issue, so I'm just asking. Network issue hai. Jumi saying there's network issue. Thank you, Jumi, for the response. Indra, is there a network issue for you? Mallikarjun says gives me a thumbs up, so I'm not sure. Okay, Jumi is giving a thumbs up right now, so it's fine, I'm assuming. Anybody else? Guys, I need one more response so I know that the video is booked fine. Are you able to hear me? So we'll quickly do our session. We're already late today. I'm so sorry about this situation. I just finished the class. Everything worked fine. And suddenly the internet is playing up. Shantanu saying network issue. Now, yes. Clear now. Okay. Thank you. Alright guys. So let's go ahead and kickstart the session. Not wasting any more time. Sorry about this. Let's go. Go back. Put your hands up. This is warm up for you. Right? Now. Go on down. Like doing a tricep extension. Alright? Go. Go. Hit it. From your core, tight, boom. Knees up. Reach up. One more time, let's go. Reach up. Again. Shoulder press. Now one on the shoulder, stop. Okay, ready? 5, stop. One more time, come on, punch harder. Come on, let's go. Now, there. Hit. One more time, let's go. Boom. Hit. Going down.
Hands on each other, couldn't stand
Down.
too far apart. Closer the better.
Very good.
Now we're drinking fights, it's time to do it. Magnify in all our flaws, and I wonder why. Wonder what for? Why we keep coming back for more?
Good. Down.
Is it
Up.
just about it?
Down.
Are we
Up.
both losing our
Down.
minds? Is the only reason
Punch.
you're holding me
Boom.
tonight? We're scared
Go
to be
down.
honest.
Boom.
Do we need somebody? Just don't feel like we're alright. Is the only reason you're holding me tonight? We're scared to be honest.
Faster. One more time, let's go. Up, down, up. One more time, go.
Somebody better for us all along. Tell me how can we keep holding on? Holding on tonight, 'cause we're scared to be lonely. Even when we know it's wrong. Somebody better for us all along. Tell me how can we keep holding on? Holding on tonight, 'cause we're scared to be lonely. Is it just how about it? Are we both losing our minds? Is the only reason you're holding me tonight? 'Cause we're scared to be lonely. Do we need somebody? Just don't feel like we're alright. Is the only reason you're holding me tonight? 'Cause we're scared to be lonely.
Next. Stay. Right, go. Come on. Shoulder rolls. Now, forward. Now, watch. Hit. Let's go, come on.
It was great at the very start. Hands on each other, couldn't stand too far apart. Closer the better. Now we're drinking fights, it's time to do it. Magnify in all our flaws, and I wonder why. Wonder what for? Why we keep coming back for more?
Good.
Is it just how about it? Are we both losing our minds? Is the only reason you're holding me tonight? 'Cause we're scared to be lonely. Do we need somebody? Just don't feel like we're alright. Is the only reason you're holding me tonight? 'Cause we're scared to be lonely.
One more time, let's go. Bring up. Up, down.
Somebody better for us all along. Tell me how can we keep holding on? Holding on tonight, 'cause we're scared to be lonely. Even when we know it's wrong. Somebody better for us all along. Tell me how can we keep holding on?
Go. Let's go. Last time. Double, double, single, single, double, double. Move. Press. Alright, ready? Right, back. One more time. Keep going, guys. Don't stop. Legs forward. Here. Legs up. Okay? Hands here. Now, bicep curls. Come on, guys. Put it up. Now, with the legs up, 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 up. One more time. Come on. Legs up. Come on, guys, hold it there. Now, stay. Hold. Next striker, stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Good job, guys. Come on, next step forward. Bicep curls. Hands up. Legs up. Go. Let's go, guys. Come on. Back straight. Very good, guys. Stay there. Hold. Stay there. Next step, point toes. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2. Good, guys. Come on, let's go. Up. Let's go. Good.
Bounce and break.
Stay up. Legs up. Body goes down. Hands up. Okay? Okay. And up. Down. Up. Ready? Down. Up. Down. Up. side. Go. Down. Up. Come on. Down. Up. One more time. Down. Up. Down. Up. Very good. Come on. Down. Up. Down. Up. Alright. This is good. Good, guys. Come on, guys. Everybody. Other side. Legs up. Point your toes down. Hands up. Down. And up. And down. Up. And up. Very nice. One more time. Let's go. Boom. And up. Boom. Okay. Go. Ready? Tricep.
To the sky, people jumping off the night. Get up high to the sky, people jumping, jumping.
And forward.
Get up high to the sky, people jumping off the night. Get up high to the sky, people jumping off the night.
Forward.
Get up high to the sky, people jumping off the night. Get up high to the sky, people jumping, jumping. Get up high, get up high, get up high, get up high to
Let's
the
go, come
sky.
on. Ready? Legs back.
Get
Yeah.
up high to the
Up.
sky.
Go. Balance. In the air. One more time. Let's go. And down. All right. Good job. Come on. Change. Let's go. 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 One last time. Let's go. Come on. Left back. Go.
Get up high to the sky, people jumping off the night. Get up high to the sky, people jumping, jumping night. Get up high to the sky, people jumping off the night. Get up high to the sky, people jumping, jumping. Get up high, get up high, get up high. High to the sky, get up high, get up high, get up high. High to the sky.
Come on. Let's go. Step touch. You good, guys? Come on. Good. Now twist with the core, right? Last movement.
High to the sky, people jumping off the night. Get up high to the sky, people jumping, jumping. Get up high to the sky, people jumping off the night. Get up high to the sky, people jumping, jumping. Get up high to the sky, people jumping off
Pick it
the
up.
night. Get up high.
Okay. Oh my god, that was a lot of sweat. I don't know if you all are sweating. I am. Sorry guys. Boxing is easy. A lot of people, or in fact everyone can do it, and it is very 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 effective because it's easy, it's not difficult. 2-3 बार अगर आप कर लोगे तो आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा आसान होगा इसको पिकअप करने में, एंड इट डज़ नॉट फील इम्पॉसिबल टू डू एज वेल बिकॉज इसमें ज़्यादा डांसिंग नहीं है. एंड काफ़ी लोग जिनको डांसिंग करना पसंद नहीं है उनके लिए भी काफ़ी अच्छा वर्कआउट हो जाता है, कार्डियो बस वर्कआउट हो जाता है. देन यू डूइंग योर टोनिंग and you're burning extra fats. Now remember, when you're doing cardio and toning at the same time, you tend to burn more fats than doing only cardio or only toning, because you get a combination of 2 to 3 exercises. So body will be burning more calories in comparison to a single kind of workout. So remember that always. That is very very important. So let me just quickly get you to the Goki app right now. आप तो Goki app रोज़ इस्तेमाल कर रहे होंगे everybody, but yes, Please make sure you go and check out on the latest deals that we have on the Goki Play app. Amazing products and super deals coming up every single day. And please make sure you keep checking every more flexible day by day that out for you guys. Make sure you make the most of it. सब लोग को लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए, उनके लाइव को देखिए. एक और चीज़ मैं आपसे माफ़ी मांगना चाहूँगा आज के इंटरनेट इशू के लिए. स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा इंटरनेट इशू हो रहा था तो क्षमा चाहूँगा, पता नहीं क्या हो गया था. अभी एकदम परफेक्टली चल रहा है. सो आई एम हैप्पी दैट येस वी वर एबल टू डू अ लिटिल क्लास एज वेल, इफ नॉट कंप्लीट क्लास, बट येस thank you so much for being so patient, and thank you so much for all your feedback and all your lovely comments. Thank you Jumi, thank you Prithvi, thank you Shugan, thank you Sudhir, thank you Jamuna, thank you Malikarjun, thank you Gajanan, thank you everybody जिन्होंने मैसेज किया. डॉक्टर मनोज, शांतनु, everyone, thank you everyone, thank you so much. मैं सबका नाम नहीं ले पाऊंगा because of course Alia's live has started, I have to leave, but thank you once again everyone for being there and supportive all the time. Really means a lot. A big heart for you, all of you guys. And talking about heart, please make sure you go and check out the Goki Smart Vital watch as well, because that is an amazing product and it really helps you to check your temperature, check your body oxygen meter, and also it helps you check your step, and everything is there. So please make sure you go and check the Goki Smart Vital watch. If you have not got it for yourself, it is an amazing product, recommended by me all the time. So go and get it, one for yourself, and if possible get for your family as well, so everybody can keep a check of their blood oxygen monitor on their wrist, and also their body temperature as well, which is really important in this pandemic situation. So please be safe and stay at home. I will see you back again tomorrow 8 o'clock live.